Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Christina, and in today's video, I want to just share a quick impromptu unboxing of the newest things that I got from Knowledge Crates. If you've been around here, you know how much I love Knowledge Crates. I shared, like I do every season, the fall Knowledge Crates, both the preschool and the school age crates, and the preschool crates sold out so fast. So many of you reached out disappointed here and on Instagram. And Knowledge Crates heard you guys because they came out with a brand new crate that they just created. They're amazing, the Woodland Crate. And I don't have the entire Woodland Crate because I have the preschool crate and the school age crate and all the things. But what I did get is part of the full Woodland Crate. So you can get what I got separately, which is just the sensory bin that comes all together for you. Or you can get the sensory bin as part of the full Woodland Crate. There's also a preschool download pack and just so much available. So for those of you that are like, I really want something for preschool and I don't want to have to wait till winter, this I think is going to be really exciting. So they have actually created a busy bin for you in this Sterilite container that snaps. So I'm always like having to figure out how to organize all of my busy bin stuff, and now I'm feeling like I need to get a bunch of these, but it's labeled for you. Like, look at this. How precious is this? I need all of my things labeled and organized this way. I get asked all the time how I organize all this stuff. So you have your actual sensory beans in here, 4 bags of them to fill this up nice. These little cups and bowls. You've got different sized palms. You've got these little beads, acorns and little sticks, leaves, an entire tube of woodland animals. And these are the ones that match up with the fact cards. Love this so much. These little twisty pipe cleaners. You've got pine cones in here and literal tweezers to pick things up with. Oh, this is adorable. I'm going to give this to my little guy right now. It never ceases to amaze me that even though I set things out for my younger two, my 3 or my 4-year-old, my older kids, especially my 8-year-old daughter, always want to play with it too. Sensory play is so much fun. Even for older kids, they really just enjoy being able to create their own little worlds, and it really is the sensory experience of these different materials in their hands, the different textures, and it's so fun to watch them play and explore, and it's something that I did not need to prep or get together. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing their brand new product. I hope you are able to get your hands on one because it is so awesome. So the link, as usual, is in the description box below with my discount. Rooted15 will get you 15% off. I'll be sharing over on Instagram as we use it more, I'm sure. And if you're not already following me over there, you can follow me at rooted_homelife. I hope to see you soon in one of my next videos. And until next time, stay rooted.